The Ford 3.3L V6 Cyclone engine was introduced in 2018 as a naturally aspirated alternative to Ford's turbocharged EcoBoost lineup. This engine powers popular models including the F-150, Expedition, and Navigator, producing 290 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. The most significant issue is excessive oil consumption, affecting 8 to 12% of engines, particularly in 2018 to 2020 model years. Owners report consuming 1 quart of oil every 1,000 to 2,000 miles due to piston ring design problems and cylinder bore finish issues. Carbon buildup on intake valves typically manifests after 40,000 to 60,000 miles. The direct injection system lacks the cleaning effect of port injection, causing thick carbon deposits that result in rough idle, reduced power, and poor fuel economy. Timing chain stretch primarily affects high-mileage vehicles, typically after 80,000 miles. Contributing factors include infrequent oil changes and incorrect oil viscosity. Symptoms include engine rattle on startup and timing-related diagnostic codes. Fuel injector problems affect both the direct and port injection systems, impacting 5 to 8% of vehicles by 100,000 miles. Common issues include clogging and electrical failures, which can be prevented through regular fuel system cleaning and using quality fuel. Water pump failures typically occur between 60,000 and 90,000 miles due to plastic impeller degradation. Symptoms include coolant leaks, overheating, and bearing noise. Ford addressed this issue with a revised design featuring a metal impeller in 2022 model years. These 5 common problems represent the most significant issues owners should be aware of when considering or maintaining a Ford 3.3L V6 Cyclone engine. Understanding these potential issues helps in making informed maintenance decisions. Proper maintenance is critical for the Ford 3.3L V6 Cyclone engine. Following a strict maintenance schedule will prevent most common problems and extend engine life significantly. Oil changes are the most critical maintenance item. Use only 5W30 or 5W20 full synthetic oil that meets Ford's WSS M2C 946-B1 specification. This specific oil formulation is designed to handle the engine's high compression ratio and direct injection system. Coolant maintenance is equally important. The first coolant change occurs at 100,000 miles, then every 50,000 miles thereafter. Always use Ford Orange coolant, specifically Motorcraft VC3DILB, as other coolants can cause corrosion and component failures. Ford has made significant improvements to the 3.3L V6 in recent model years. These updates address the most common problems identified in earlier versions and improve overall reliability and performance. The most significant improvement is the revised piston ring design implemented in 2021 models. The new rings dramatically reduce oil consumption, addressing one of the most common complaints from early model years. Ford also updated the engine control unit calibration for better fuel economy and reduced carbon buildup. Additionally, 2022 and newer models feature an enhanced water pump design with a metal impeller, replacing the problematic plastic version. Ford also improved the oil separator system to better handle crankcase ventilation. Most importantly, Ford has extended powertrain warranties for oil consumption issues, covering affected vehicles up to 150,000 miles.